welcome back to my channel. My name is Ijoma, and in today's video I'm going to be introducing my new baby from Hairvivi to you all. She's called April. One unique thing about this brand, and a special reason why I love and vibe with this brand and this hair, is because their hairs are 100% human hairs, and you can wear it straight out of the box because they have done everything for you and you do nothing to less work to install your wig. So let's get right into this video and you understand what I mean. So this is the package, and I must say delivery was super fast. I didn't even have to wait for a week and it was delivered to my doorstep. So this is a cute ribbon. So this is a very easy manual to install your hair, details on how to shop. So this is just a thank you note and I really appreciate it. So the hair is here, but I'll be doing this last. For here's a goodie bag. They sent a goodie bag and I love goodie bags. So in my goodie bag we have, there's this edge brush, hair clips to section and put my hair in place, and here comes my wig. I'm going to show you guys how I'm unboxing this. Smells like a luxury. The hair came in this silk bag, and I think this silk bag is majorly for storage because of those that do not have wig heads to place their hair. So thank you so much, and I love the fabric. I also love the color. I told you earlier, this unit is called the April HD Lace Natural Looking Wig 180 density. This is the hair. Let me move back. This is the hair. I'm trying to like show you guys a full length video of the hair. This is the hair. Oh my god, I love this hair so much. One thing I love about this brand is the fact that they are very thoughtful about their customers and have our best interest at heart. I'm convinced that this is what differentiates them from other brands, because they went all out for people like me and you that are struggling to get the hang of this lane of frontal thing and all that, making it very easy for us to lay our hairs like professionals, because they have done all the work that needs to be done by providing us with a fake but realistic scalp. You can see it, clean bleached knots, elastic hairbands. Adjust it here. So I'm going to try and wear this. Sorry, I keep looking this way. I'm looking at my mirror. So I'm going to try and wear this. This wig is a size small, fake cap and HD lace color in Cappuccino. Color Cappuccino. I didn't even need to wear a wig cap to like wear this. You can see what I'm saying about the hair being pre-plucked. You can see it. It's pre-plucked and the lace is HD. Not so much work needs to be done. They've done all the work, and this is what I mean about a brand being intentional. I'm going to tighten the elastic band a bit so the hair is very fitted on me. I have some strands on my face. I love this hair so much. You can see the pattern here. Let's get into styling this hair. As a beginner like me, you know, most of my videos I always get my hairstylist, but thank you Hairvivi for this hair. I'm going to be doing this myself. Thanks to Hairvivi. I need to cut this off. You guys saw that I didn't need to apply my foundation or my powder, nothing, absolutely nothing, and the hair fits so well. No bleaching, no tinting, no dyeing, absolutely nothing. And you can see the lace looks so natural. You can see it. Nothing. See that? You seeing the layer? Are you seeing the layer of this hair? This hair is so beautiful. I can even wear it like this and you would not even know. This hair came right in time because I'll be traveling soon, and I think this is the hair I would wear when I'm traveling because it's so beautiful, so gorgeous. I love this hair so much. Guys, I can't believe I'm doing this myself. You can see it. I'm doing this myself. All thanks to Hairvivi. I mean, it's not like it's perfect, but come on now. I'm feeling like a hairstylist right now. I'm feeling like my hairstylist, and I don't know, I'm so excited. You can tell from my smiles that I'm very excited. I'm doing this myself, guys. Wow! Actually caught my lace myself. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Yes, this part of my hair keeps coming up. So I can't believe I did this myself. I'm very sure my hairstylist will be so proud of me if he's watching this video. So I'm going to use the hairspray. That's the glue hairspray, not the glue, just the glue hairspray, to hold this down a bit and also hold this part. But you can see that this hair is completely glueless and it's giving every single thing. I didn't apply any foundation, no powder, just my exact skin tone, and it goes to say how much Hairvivi hair pays close attention to details and wants the best for their customers. It's not like I can't actually wear this hair like this. You can see that it covers perfectly. You won't even know that it's not glued, but I just want the extra hold by the side. The band, the elastic band in the wig does the work majorly. Like I'm not bothered at all. I'm not scared that my hair is going to fall off. You can see I'm not scared that my hair is going to fall off if I move anyhow. But I just want that extra hold by the side, that's securing. No, the band has done the major securing, and I just want to feel like I did it perfectly. You know that feeling. I'm going to be using this glue. So I'm going to clip the hair back so I can have a better grip of the side without the hair getting in the way. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this other side. Let me do this. I can't remember if I told you guys the inches of my hair, like how long my hair is, for those that would want to get this exact length. Like I said earlier, this hair is called April HD Natural Wig, and I'm wearing the 20 inches. This is how long it is. I'm just going to go back and see if I can get like a full length of this hair with my head and everything in it. So this is what the hair looks like. This is it. This is the hair. I'm just going to use my hot comb to fix this and make it sleek like this, and also straighten this basically. But first I'm going to use my hand dryer to dry this out, and I'll remove the band so you guys can see how it looks before fixing this. But so far I'm loving this hair. I'm loving every single thing about this hair. Lace perfectly. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to use my mousse to do this part. Oh, see, even without using my hot comb, it's working already. Or I'll just use my hot comb for the extra stretch and shine. Guys, I'm always scared of hot comb because I've gotten burnt once. So I'm always scared of hot comb. But I'm surprised. I don't know. There's just something about Hairvivi that's making me like overcome a lot of fears, a lot of things I said I couldn't do and I can't do, and I'm finding myself doing them perfectly. Now they are equal, and this was what I wanted. It's the definition for me. You can see how defined the pattern is. I didn't do this myself, they did it for me. So now I'm going to straighten the hair to give it the more defined curve and show you guys the results without applying anything. Wow. God, I'm so so happy. I don't know, I'm feeling this hair so much, so much. Wow. Now I think I need to calm down and do this one. I didn't apply anything on the hair, but you can see that it's coming out so well, nicely. The length now is more defined. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing how the length is? So I'm just going to do the same thing on this side, and that's it. This is the final look of this hair, this gorgeous hair from Hairvivi. I think you can actually wear this hair coiled if you want, because of the quality of the hair, and you can also wear it straight if you want to. Remember, in the beginning of this video I told you guys this hair is literally glueless. No form of glue is on this hair, and I love this hair so much. This hair is so beautiful. I don't know why this hair is so beautiful. You can see the lace. I mean, what lace? What lace? Even with the fact that there's no glue on this lace, it melts perfectly, invisible. You're not seeing any lace. Let me prove it to you once again. There's no glue on this hair. Are you seeing it? No glue on this hair. It's completely glueless. I didn't have to powder or lay any foundation or place any foundation on this hair because Hairvivi had done all the work and job for me. And I just want to say thank you so much, Hairvivi, for this beautiful hair. Thank you so much. I love my hair so much. You can see, and I'm so happy I did this myself. For those that have never laid their hair themselves, this is the best hair for you, believe me. This is the best hair, this hair from Hairvivi. For more details about this hair, kindly click on the link in the description box, in my description box, to shop this hair. Shopping with my link, you get 30% off the initial price of this hair. So why would you shop with my link? Why won't you? This hair is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I mean, to think that I did this myself within minutes, not even up to an hour. I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of Hairvivi. I'm so proud to be rocking this beautiful hair from Hairvivi. Another thing I love about this hair is the fact that I can actually wear it side. Let me show you. So you don't think it's just... Oh, I think I didn't cut that so well. You know now, as per Lena. So you don't think it's just center. You can actually rock the hair. See, it's the fixed cap for me. You can see no wig cap of any sort. I'm not wearing any wig cap under this hair. It goes all the way down. You can see, so you can actually cut any part you want. This is it. This is it. See, are you seeing this cap? The fake cap. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Ah, God, Hairvivi, you guys are amazing. You guys are so amazing. And it goes back to its initial spots with just a brush. I'll see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to share this video if you enjoyed this video. And that's it. Bye.